Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some random gardening slash I need to fix some problems in the garden. So right now I'm in the garage because, believe it or not, even with all the sunshine, it is raining outside. So I'm going to try to do some small projects today. So in the off chance, well, in the likelihood that it does downpour, I will not be too heavily involved in the project. All right. So let me show you the first area. Okay, the first area is over by the water fountain. The Supertunias are doing great. But I planted a couple delphiniums back here. And this area, actually, from about right here back, is always completely soaked. So I think that they're suffering from water, but I'm gonna dig them up and let them dry out a little bit. But I am going to put in, let me see, where's the tag at? This Cranberry Crush Hibiscus. Now, these are termed a bog plant, so I think it's going to be very happy back here. I'm actually going to place it. Can you hear the thunder right now? I'm actually going to place it probably where this one is. It gets 3 to 4 foot tall, so it'll just fill in this area. I would like to rescue these and possibly plant them like over here in a swoop. This is going to move because this gets like 5 foot tall. So let's get this in the ground. Okay, so I just got it all planted, and I did pop in the better of the two delphiniums. It would be nice if I could recuperate that fourth one and kind of place it like right there. That would be nice. But we shall see. Like I said, this one's pretty rough. So I think I'm just gonna pot it up and let it go. I mean, of course, I'll get rid of all these dead leaves. So now on to the next spot. Next area is this garden. As you can see, things are filling in from my last video. But I mentioned that there was an area right here where I might pop some things. So I found these small little 4-inch cans of lavender. So I thought that would be nice, although they do need some water. I transplanted this one from over by the water fountain. It was growing and I don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna watch it for a little bit. If it doesn't fill in the way I have these laid out, I'll just go grab another one of those and pop it in there. All right, let's get these in. Okay, and that area is all done. I actually like the color of the foliage there because it's a little bit more on the blue shade. I think it looks really nice in here. And I even got the fountain plugged back in. I didn't realize the cord had gone out. Okay, so this is the last place that I'm going to plant today. I have this. It is a Dicentra Bleeding Heart. And here's the thing. I've had this in about 10 different spots, and I think it's gonna look nice to just kind of tuck it in. I think it's gonna look nice to just kind of tuck it in right there. It's bloomed ever since I bought it, so I love flowers that do that. I would actually like to get more of these. So anyway, let's get this in the ground. So, I'm at a bit of a halt right now. Hopefully I can resume my project. If not, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.